have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then tap here, go to your to the My Apps and Games section, and then Updates. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can just update them one by one by tapping this update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you want to update these unupdated apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.